What's up, fam? Today I'm going to be going over how to do a double crunch.
And this is the straight leg raise. This exercise has both advanced and beginner's variations, so pay close attention to the differences here. To incorporate a static hold within the double crunch, you want to make sure that those legs are straight and 6 inches off the ground. To make sure the abs are fully contracted, the elbows should be driven towards the knees at the top of each rep. And for the beginner's variation, you want to keep those knees bent throughout the entire exercise. This is going to reduce the tension on the core.
Alright, fam, and that's how you do a double crunch. Until next time.